Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome here to our online lesson where we cover the book of transactions and business. We will be explaining the same book, however we'll be explaining it in a fashion, in a manner which is easily applicable to the everyday Muslim living in the 21st century. And this is why we decided to change the title of this course to the Fiqh for a Bitcoiner. We see the future of Islam, the future of humanity as a whole, using and engaging with the Bitcoin network. And this has implications on many other things. When it comes to trading, when it comes to understanding markets. So we are still continuing the book of Fiqh, actually explaining this book here called Dalil al-Talib. However, we'll be explaining and making it applicable to someone in this field. But there's another element to this course which is dealing with Usul al-Fiqh. Usul al-Fiqh is the foundation or the basis by which a scholar builds on his Islamic rulings. And Usul al-Fiqh is studied in 4 parts. The first part deals with the end result. Basically what you know as being halal and haram. And the last part of this chapter, Usul al-Fiqh, deals with who uses these tools. 2 middle ones are very important. The first one is adillah, evidence. What is evidence? And the second part is how do you extract rulings and information from the evidence? This is the second part of these 2-part series. Usul al-Fiqh is very, very important because you may study the books of fiqh and you may understand what the alim has said, what he said, this is halal and this is haram. But in order to understand why he said it, you need to have usul al-fiqh. First, you better understand what does he mean by these rulings. What is the evidence that he's presented even acceptable to you? Are the understanding he's derived from the evidence, does it actually lead to what he has said? Without usul al-fiqh, you definitely can study the books of fiqh, but all you'll be able to do is just regurgitate and say back what you've heard. You won't have any real ability to think critically about what's been said or even assess its validity or strength. And inshallah, hopefully you will gain the benefits that are required from studying such a lesson.